Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ruchita. For the ones who are new here and want to know about me, then you can go check out my intro video I'll put in card above or anything you like to do it. Okay, so it's been a long time. I've taken a quite a big break actually. Apologies. I know I have really been very inconsistent about posting videos, so I'm really sorry about it. And yeah, I'm back to make videos and post videos finally after such a long break. So yeah. In today's video, I'm gonna give a introduction. Actually, I'm thinking to start a series of videos like an episode. Like I'll title the series something. I'm not sure what to title it yet. I'm just planning to give a name. Like I'm still deciding on what to name the series, but I hope it will go great. I'm not sure how it will turn out and the thoughts what I have. Will I be able to put it into the picture? But let's hope for the best. So it's gonna be like a I'll be making it. It'll be a series of cooking videos, obviously, and I love sweets. Like I love sweets so much. Be it like Western or Indian, like I love sweets a lot. And I actually planned to do this like 2 months ago, but I don't know why I didn't do it. Like really, I don't know. So, anyways, that's a old story. So let it pass. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be like about sweet, like as I told. So it will be a series of sweet recipes I'm gonna show you. Not like any basic sweets or anything. It's gonna be traditional, like Karnataka, like what all sweets we make at home and enjoy. So actually, recently this came to my mind because we're so into like buying sweets from out and having it, and let's face the fact actually, like who does it at home nowadays? Like people do. I'm not telling nobody does it, but there's very few. Like the amount have actually reduced because some are very busy and because some don't know the recipe. Actually, a backstory why I thought of doing it. Uh, when we were kids, like we used to go for like when we used to have summer vacations, we used to go to our grandparents' house, and other my relatives used to come, my cousins used to come. We used to get together there and be there. They used to get sweets. Like I used to love all. Like I like all sweets basically. So yeah, I think I've told it more than enough of the time. So I'll just skip that part. So we used to enjoy that like in evening time for snacks and all. We used to have that. Not like nowadays. It's like we have like pastry or we have donut. We have a lot of other Western sweets where we eat that the dessert time, like whatever. So yeah, I thought like we are somewhere forgetting about the sweets which existed because I had actually forgotten. Then my mom's friend's place, I when I remembered that this sweet was there, and I had actually forgotten about that, and it was my favorite, and I was like, how did I? Anyways, I had that sweet after so long. That's what we're gonna start the series with. But in today's video, it's gonna be only the introduction where I'll just tell you what the series will be and etc. When it's gonna start and when I'll be uploading and etc. All of that. So yeah, guys, that's what the series will be. I thought of making a series. I'm not sure how many episodes or how many series it's gonna have because in still in the planning. I don't know what name also I'll keep, so I'll just let you know, guys. Obviously, you guys will know when it will be uploaded, right? So I thought of posting it every Tuesday. I'll post it every Tuesday. The series of the episodes I'm gonna post, the series which I'm gonna make, and apart from this, I'm gonna post another video, not related to this series, but something else, something other things which I want to do and which I want to film and post it. So I'm not sure which date that I'll post. I'm just contemplating between Thursday and Saturday. So I don't know. I'll just keep you guys updated. So if you want to be updated when I'll post it, you can follow me on Instagram. I actually changed my username. So yeah, the link will be below, and also I'll just put it here somewhere on the screen. So do follow me to be updated when I post what. And yeah, and be subscribed also and hit the bell. You'll get the notification when I upload a video. The main reason I wanted to do like this series of recipes, like sweets recipes, because as I told, I had forgotten about the sweet that existed, which I loved. So for the ones who have forgotten about the sweets, they'll remember and they'll do it. And for the ones who don't know the recipe but want to try it, will know the recipe. And for the ones just other people who doesn't know about this sweet, will get to know about a new sweet and would try it at their homes. And that was only my intention to like, I'm actually thinking to give the series like old is gold, because yeah, how much ever we have grown, how much ever we have moved forward in life, in the society, whatever, but still those sweets, I don't know, it used to make a lot of memories you have, like in your childhood memories, with your cousins, etc., at your home, preparing also with a lot of relatives and things like that. It has some value to it. So to add that value to bring that value back, I thought of doing it. Yeah, that was it. So I hope you'll enjoy the series. So yeah, I'll be posting every Tuesday. So the next Tuesday will be the first episode and it will continue. So be excited, and as I'm gonna cook all by myself, I'm very very pumped and excited actually to start this series. Hope you'll enjoy too. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care, have fun, and be happy. Bye.